Hello and welcome back to Ajastromani Guru. I'm Neena and today we're diving deep into the latest shifts in global commodity trade, specifically focusing on the impact of escalating trade tensions between China and the United States. New data released on April 21, 2025, paints a clear picture. China's imports of key commodities from the US experienced a significant plunge in March. This downturn underscores the deepening trade conflict between the world's two economic powerhouses. Let's look at some specific examples. According to the latest customs figures, China's imports of US liquefied natural gas or LNG and wheat came to a complete halt last month. This follows China's implementation of retaliatory tariffs, ranging from 10% to 15%, on a variety of US agricultural and energy products. To put this in perspective, in 2024, the US accounted for a notable 17% of China's total wheat imports and 5% of its LNG supplies. This complete cessation signals a dramatic shift. Beyond wheat and LNG, other major US commodities also saw substantial declines in Chinese imports. Cotton imports from the US plummeted by a staggering 90%, reaching a mere 14,000 tons. Similarly, corn imports experienced a drastic fall, dropping to below 800 tons, the lowest level recorded since February 2020. Liquefied petroleum gas or LPG imports from the US also decreased significantly, down 36% year-on-year to 1.02 million tons. Furthermore, imports of coal used in steelmaking saw a sharp decline of 62%, settling at 208,000 tons. The impact of these trade tensions extends to industrial commodities as well. Copper imports were notably affected by tariff-induced market uncertainty. Refined copper imports decreased significantly to approximately 22,000 tons, while imports of copper concentrate declined by 38% to around 19,000 tons. However, not all commodities followed this downward trend. Soybean imports from the US actually saw a 12% year-on-year increase, reaching 2.44 million tons. This growth is attributed to strong seasonal demand in China ahead of South America's harvest. Similarly, crude oil imports from the US grew by 25% to 542,000 tons. This increase allows the US to maintain its position among China's top 10 crude oil suppliers, despite the broader trade frictions. Looking ahead, analysts suggest that the ongoing tariff escalations and persistent geopolitical tensions will continue to heavily influence trade dynamics between these two nations. This situation is likely to prolong volatility in global commodity markets as businesses and nations adapt to the changing landscape. What do you think about these significant shifts in commodity trade? How do you see these tensions impacting the markets in the long run? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Ajastromani Guru for more in-depth commodity market updates and analysis. Thank you for watching.